demonstration video of our Easy Crane. The Easy Crane is a fully portable vacuum tube lifter unit with an articulating arm. I'll run through the quick components of the unit. The base is what I'm standing on. It's a portable plate. You can take it around with a pallet jack or a forklift. There's openings here for the pallet jack where my foot is, or you can take your forklift in and pick it up and move it as well. You have a filter unit for the vacuum pump is mounted to the tower. That's what's located here. It has quick pins to be able to access the filter to clean it. As you're going up the tower, you have a motor starter fuse disconnect panel. So you have your disconnect here. You have an on green run light and an off red button. This is set up for 480 volt, 3-phase power. Running up the tower, you have an adjustable height tower. So you have a fixed base that you see here. The red line is this upper tower raised all the way up. When you receive it, it will be raised or be lowered all the way down. You will need to raise this tower up. There is a pin that holds the tower, and there are two handles that tighten the upper tube to the lower tube. So these will be loose when you get them, and once you raise the arm up to the red line, you will tighten these back into position along with inserting the pin. As you go up the arm, the green device you see is a friction device for the inner arm to slow down the arm movement. You can adjust that with the handle shown. As you see it there, the black handle, you can loosen it or tighten that to increase or decrease the movement of the arm, the ease of movement of the arm. So you have an articulating arm. You have the inner arm and the outer arm. They are equidistant. These are 5 foot long, inner and outer arm. The vacuum supply hose runs up the tower, runs across the arm and through the joint, and then back through the outer arm. You have 1-inch supply hose that makes the movement all along the arm. Then it comes over to the lift tube. It's like a big dryer vent. This outer sheath is just there for cosmetics. It's no function to it whatsoever. But this is what creates the lifting up and down from the vacuum pump. I did skip over the vacuum pump. It is the large black enclosure that you see. It is mounted to the base. Again, it's 3-phase power. It's very quiet, as you'll hear. It's extremely quiet, but everything is incorporated and it's already wired. You will only need to bring power into the box here. This is the only power movement that you will need to do. The control handle of the Easyhand is very simple. The unit is always lifting, so all you're doing with this trigger is controlling the down movement. As soon as I attach the vacuum down to the box, it will automatically lift up and you're going to control the down movement. This is designed for very fast movements. You also have 90 degrees and 360 degree rotation with the unit, so you can pick up on the side of a box if necessary, or you can pick it up on top and position it if you need to position a label into a certain position for shipment. What I'll do now is I will turn on the unit. So disconnect on, hit the green button. The unit balance has a no load balance position, and that is controlled by this knob here. I can lower it or I can raise it. Left to lower, right to raise it. And you can leave it, it will always come back to that position. The unit also has a quick release button so that you can easily release yourself from the box. This knob can be taken off and moved to the other side as well. Right hand or left hand movement. So as I said, it's very simple. Vacuum, just take it down on the box and it raises up. You can see how quick it is. It's designed for very fast movement. You're controlling, you can see my trigger finger. I'm controlling the down movement by pulling on the trigger to lower it, let go of the trigger and it goes up. Pull the trigger, it goes down. You can set this height as it's fully contracted by your tower. You can lower that tower down a little bit if you need to, if you don't want to have it go up so high. So when you come down to the surface to release it, push the trigger all the way down, hit the release button, and you're ready to go. Again, it'll take it right back to its hover position. So once again, just lower it down on the surface, pull the trigger to balance it wherever you want it. Take it to your position where you want to put it down, hit the release button, and you're done.